How to put a password on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Now, scroll down and tap on Turn Passcode on. On this page, you can enter your new passcode over here. Before entering your new passcode, tap on Passcode options below. Select any option from here. For example, for digit numeric code. Then, enter your new passcode. Note that for the next 72 hours, you can use your previous passcode to reset your new passcode if you forget it. Verify your new passcode again. After that, enter your Apple account password over here and sign in to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily put a password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.